Happy Tuesday, beauty. So I have a oracle message on YouTube that deals with these same cards that is from the same deck. So I pulled another card from this deck to help expand on that message because it's a really powerful month for the self-nurturing. And what I got here is this fawn is the sacred part of you that's ready to come forward and be fully a part of you. I think it's like a missing ingredient, the rest of yourself that you need to move forward in your life. And this is you, your hands holding this sacred part of you. Like, you need to protect this part because it's very important. As I said, I believe it's like a form of missing ingredient that's extremely important for you. And spirit and source is also here protecting you with this piece of yourself. So don't be surprised if like you're getting redirected. Like you usually hang out with certain people or go to certain places, and now that's not like a possibility because you need to really allow this part of you to come forward.